Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to download photos from WhatsApp web. Firstly go to web.whatsapp.com and here select the chat in which you want to download photos. So I have these 4 photos I received from this person. So in order to download them we need to firstly select the image and then click on the download icon if you see it. Otherwise click on the 3 dots, then click on download, and now the image will be downloaded on my device. You can see it here. But if you have received multiple images, then this process can be time consuming. To fix that, just click on the person name from top. After that it will open this right panel. From here we need to click on media, links and documents. Under it you can just select multiple images or documents like this and then click on the download icon to download all of them in a zip file. So this is the process. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.